Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Nur sab kan du fortelle litt om Islam bibliotek, the Islam library.
Ja. The Islam Biblioteket, or the Islamic Library, it was constituted in 2015. It is an independent organization, but in close contact with the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat here in Norway. We try to collect books and other publications concerning Islam, but not only Islam, also concerning other religions, or atheism, or agnosticism, and philosophy of religion, and so on and so forth. We also collect books but in the area the field which we call fiction, where the main persons or some important persons are Muslims or claim to be Muslims. For the time being, we have approximately 5,000 books, and we are also now trying to register lots of other publications, magazines and so on. We have many hundreds, maybe thousands of them, but it will take time to register it all. Islam Biblioteket, it was publicly registered in 2015, and we report to this register every year. We tell about our activities. We try to lend, we collect books, we take care of books, and we try to lend books and to inform not only members of the Jamaat, but all members of the Norwegian society that we exist, and if they are interested, they may come to us to learn more about Islam, but as I said, also about other religions. And as far as I know, our library has the largest collection of books concerning Islam in whole Norway. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Jazakumullah.